Next, we are going to see the implementation of following Boolean function with the two 4x1 multiplexer. The functions are f of a, b, c, d is equal to summation m of 0, 2, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus d of 3, 8, 14. First, write the implementation table. So how to write the implementation table? If it is a 4 variable, you start with D0 to D7, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Here I am going to take the A as a variable. So this is A bar and this is A. So write all the numbers starts from 0 to 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. The next is what are the number they have given in the question, including a don't care. Circle those min term. So first one is 0, next is 2, next is 6, next is 10, next is 11, next is 12 and 13 and see the don't care. 3 is there, 8 is there and 14 is there. I'm repeating again. What are the min terms is given in the question. Take that min term and circle in the min term. This is the first step you have to do in the implementation table. Next, after circling, you are going to write the answer. How we are going to write the answer? If both the min terms are circled, then that should be considered as 1. If both are not circled, that should be equivalent to 0. Both are circled 1, circled 1. Just see the min term which is circled. 12 is circled and 4 is not circled. But see the 12 which min term is circled and see the row your variable was A. So you have to write that particular variable. Similarly for the 13, it is circled. Your equivalent variable is A. And both are circled 1. If it is not circled, 0. So like that, you have to write the multiplexer value. Next, we are going to draw the diagram. Next, we are going to draw the diagram for two 4x1 mux. For that, first you have to draw two 4x1 mux. The upper 4x1 mux just have written as D0 to D3. Similarly, for the lower 4x1 mux, I have written as D4 to D7. So this is nothing but two 4x1 mux. Both are depend on the selection line. So I have taken S0 and S1. The next is already you have taken the variable as A. So based on this output, I am going to draw the diagram. D0, D2, D3 and D6 is equal to 1. D0, D2, D3 and D6 is equivalent to 1. Next, D1 and D7 is equivalent to 0. D1 and D7 is equivalent to 0. Next, we need an enable line. This is nothing but your enable line. Why you need an enable line? You have a two 4x1 mux. At a time, any one should work. For that, we are using this enable line. This enable line, here we are using a B variable as a enable line. So by using a NOT gate, it's connected to one 4x1 mux. Without NOT gate, it is connected to another 4x1 mux. Right? So A is used in the implementation table, B is used as a enable line, and C and D is used as a selection line. So based on this, we are going to receive the output. So you have a two different 4x1. So this should be combined by using the OR gate because multiple input and single output for your multiplexer. So I have drawn like this. So for example, we'll solve some min terms. What are the min terms they have given here? For that min terms, the answer should be equivalent to 1. So we are going to check that. For example, I have taken A, B, C and D because C and D is going to be the selection line. These two are act as a selection line. This B is act as a enable line. This is used in the implementation table. So I am going to check whether your minterm 13 is equivalent to 1 or not. It means that whatever the minterm they have given in the question, for that minterm, your output should be equivalent to 1. So we are going to check that. So I've taken example as 1101. 1101 is nothing but your 13. 13 is given in the question as a minterm. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 1. C and D is used as a selection line. If it is 0, C is equal to 0, D is equal to 1, 0, 1. If it is 0, 1, which will be selected, either D2 should be selected or D6 should be selected. But based on B value, any one should be selected. Here your B value is 1. If this is 1, this become 0. If your B is 1, this become 0. Now this second mux will be selected. So if it is 0, 1, which will be selected? D6 will be selected. What is the answer for the D6? Your answer is 1. So this is the answer 1. So like this, you have to check the 2, 4 cross 1 mux. Thank you.